So I'm finally back at it. I had a little hiatus. I apologize, but I had some technical difficulties that I had to fix. So now that I have that out the way, I'm back, and ready to roll. And today's video is going to be a skincare haul. I wanted to share with you some of my goodies that I got for Mother's Day. You guys see? It's a skincare super duper superstars, and there's a lot of good stuff in here, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. So stay tuned. Welcome back to Punch TV, where it's been a minute and over a month, and I am so sorry. I've had some technical difficulties with my laptop, my computer, my phone. Everything just went haywire. So that caused a bit of a delay, but I'm back in business and ready to start posting my videos again. So if you've been missing my skincare videos, or if you don't have any idea what Punch TV is about, let me enlighten you. Punch TV is a channel about beauty and skincare. And I know you're probably thinking, oh Lord, another beauty channel. Yes, another one. But here's how I'm different. My beauty channel isn't just for women. It's for women and men, because I talk about skincare products that are for women and for men. So I started getting crazy about skincare when I was a teenager. I started having pimples here and there break out after always having pretty decent skin, and I just didn't want to be that person that had really bad skin. Even though I loved makeup, I still wanted to look good without my makeup. So that's when my obsession with skincare started. Yeah. So I started with the Noxzema, and then I went to Neutrogena products, and so in this haul that I have, I'm going to share with you some of these great little masks that I got in my Skincare Superstars box. So let's talk about these great products that I got for Mother's Day. I have to give a shout out to my daughters Priya and Peyton, who are the light of my life, and they know exactly what their mama likes. They gave me some masks, and here are some of the masks that I got. And I'm going to play with some of them in just a few minutes, and you're going to be able to see the mask that I put on my face, and you're going to be able to see the difference. I have this skin hydrating peel mask. Y'all see that? And we have this Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. I love that. So I guess this is like a toner. We're going to see how that works. We always need some toner, but tea tree oil, great for the skin. Then this CeraVe hydrating cleanser. Every now and then, but in your routine, you should always use some type of cleanser to clean your face. So here's a cleanser by CeraVe. We have La Roche-Posay. It is ultralight sunscreen. Hey. Whoever said that black people don't need sunscreen lied. It is some bigger bottles. But this package came with 10 products. Here's a Vichy Laboratories Mineral 89 Booster Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. Try that out. And finally, almost finally, Cake My Day. That's I Do Care Hydrating Sprinkle Wash Off Mask. Another mask. I love my mask. I can't wait. So hold it. Oh, and this cute little, how cute is that? Y'all see that? It's got like a little smiley face with a wink. It's winking at me. Really? That's too cute. Oh, and guess what? It smells like cake. Oh my God. This is good stuff. Now, if the product is as good as it looks and it smells, this is a good one. I can't wait to get into that. So give me a few minutes and I'm gonna test. Oh, we got one more we got two more things. We have the Burt's Bees facial cleanse towelettes. I get these anyway. The cucumber and sage extracts. I love these. It's good on your. It feels good on your face, especially when I'm wiping off my makeup. So we'll test this when I do one of my makeup tutorials. We'll try with these and see the results. And here is Bliss. You probably can't see with the sunlight. I really just wanted you guys to get a load of my skin because I've been taking care of it and drinking my water and hydrating. I really wanted y'all to see it. Check me out. No lashes, but hey, that skin is glowed up though. But Bliss, let's see what you're talking about. Oh, and it's pretty. Drench and Quench, cream to water hydrator for all day moisture. So this is like a moisturizer. Oh, smells good, and it's blue. Y'all see that? Blue. So I have some good products that I'm going to play with for a day. I just wanted to share with you guys. If you guys want more information about some of these products, I'm going to have a list of them at the bottom of this video. So if you keep watching, I can give you more of that. But stay tuned. I'm also going to demonstrate in the next video the mask and the cleanser. And then the moisturizer. I can't wait. It smells so good. So in my next video, you'll be able to get tips on all of this. And you'll be able to see the results. So I hope you enjoyed this haul about skincare. I got a little long-winded, so forgive me. This next one won't be as long. But I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching, and if you want information about these products, again, read the information below and stay tuned for my next video that demonstrates those masks.